Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on this DIY all the time cake pop ice cream cone, or whatever I can end up naming it down below. So I don't know about you, but I love to bake, so I follow a ton of baking accounts on Instagram, and I think that's probably why I kept seeing these like unique cake pop cones all over my feed, and I thought, hey, I have a cake pop machine, I can make this, let's try and make it. So let's begin and attempt to make this. So here I have my cake pop machine already filled with and sprayed with Pam. Then you want to make your favorite vanilla or chocolate or any kind of cake batter recipe and kind of fill your cake pop to the top. Not gonna lie, I did overdo it. I did put too much, but I didn't want to put too little and have the entire sheet kind of just break on me. So you'll see when you make it if you put too much. If you pay attention, you see some slipping right off the right bottom right there. Anyway, you just want to make sure that you allow it to cook for the designated amount of time. Then you'll take like a little fork and go around the edges, making sure it didn't stick to the edges, so that when you flip your cake pop sheet out of your cake pop maker, it doesn't get stuck and then it rips and then you have to basically do it all over again. So once you're sure your cake pop sheet isn't stuck to your cake pop maker, you're just going to take some tongs and flip it right on out. And here you have your little cake pop sheet. Isn't it look cute? So while it is still hot, make sure it is still hot, you kind of want to roll it up into the cone shape itself. And then from there you're going to place it into a fairly large mug and then let it sit in the mug for about 5 minutes or so the cake pop sheet will cool and harden to this mold. So if you are working a little slow and the cake pop sheet does kind of harden and cool down before you get to mold it, all you have to do is just pop it in the microwave for a good 20-30 seconds and it'll heat it back up, and then you have a chance to mold it into the cone shape and place it into that mug. So if you want, you can definitely keep it in the mug, but I thought it'd be cute in this little thing that I found. I think it's a pencil holder. I just thought it was cute, and why not? So once your cake pop cone has hardened, you're ready to start adding your ice cream. Sadly, it was a pretty hot day out, so my ice cream scoops weren't the prettiest, but I kind of try to make it work anyways. So here I'm just adding some cookies and cream ice cream, but you can definitely just add obviously any kind of ice cream that you like. Then you just want to top it with some favorite toppings. I'm adding Oreos and some chocolate syrup, of course. And that's basically it. I was actually surprised how easy it was to recreate this Instagram dessert that I found. So I hope you enjoyed, everybody, and please subscribe.